What types of foods are best for high-intensity dance weeks, especially long rehearsal days with just one lunch break? So I think one of the most important things when you have these really high-intensity days is planning ahead. So packing a whole bunch of snacks and meals so that you can maximize your time eating and refueling as opposed to running out the door to have to go try and buy something. So you definitely want to pack a bunch of snacks. And for these snacks, you want them to be things that are both nutrient dense as well as really calorie dense and probably smaller volumes. Again, so you're not having big things that are bouncing around your belly while you're doing all your sautés. So some good options for some nutrient calorie dense snacks could be things like a hard-boiled egg, smoothies, or trail mix, or energy balls or bars. You can buy some or you can make them yourself. Sometimes you definitely want to watch out for some of the added sugar that can be in there. So one of my personal favorite brands is Lara bars. Not just because they're called Lara, but I really like the Lara bars because they are just dried fruit and nuts. So those are great sources. And they still taste sweet because of the dried fruit, but they're not having a whole bunch of added sugar in them. And then when it comes to mealtime, some of those frameworks I talked about earlier are really great. So a nice salad with the mixed greens, whole grains, assortment of veggies, protein sources. That's one option. Or those a whole grain pilaf with veggies and protein. Another option. Or also doing some kind of sandwich or wrap using a whole wheat wrapper or whole wheat bread, and then spreading it with hummus or and adding in some other protein and vegetables. So hummus is great. You can even use hummus as a base to mix in some tuna, and then have some veggies, and that makes a really nice energy and nutrient dense sandwich. I loved answering your questions. So if you want me to do more videos like this, leave me some questions in the comments below, or you can reach out to me through social media on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So thanks for watching. That's what science tastes like.